Hi everyone, welcome to my apartment tour. For a little background, I live on the second floor in the student apartment village, so to get up to our door, we have this little staircase that leads directly to the outside. And yeah, let's get started. So we've just come up the stairs and here we have our front door. We have a separate key specifically for this door. So we have 2 locks of security. Here we have our doormat. We go directly into our living space. You can see 3 couches, a table, a couple side tables for drinks and beverages and things. Here's our view of our big front yard that we share with all of our neighbors. Sometimes we'll see our neighbors throwing a football around or a frisbee, and we'll go out and join them, and it's lots of fun. Over here we have a big storage closet. It has a lot of storage space. We also have in-unit washer and dryer behind these doors, which is really, really awesome. Over here we can see our TV setup. It's a Roku TV, so everything we can watch on our TV, which is really awesome. Going into the kitchen, we have our bar space with our stools, and then general kitchen. We have our dishwasher, which is a really awesome thing to have in an apartment. We've got nice big sink, lots of under counter storage. Up here, we have space for our expansive mug collection, as well as plates and bowls. We've got a microwave here, a glass top stove and oven. We also have a full-size fridge, which is really awesome. We can keep a lot of food in there. Over here, you can see our dining table with seats for 6, so we can get the whole house in there. And since we are a 6-person apartment, we have a back porch. The weather's a little wet right now, but that's okay. You can still see we have a nice view, and the weather's nice and clear. You can see the Blue Ridge Mountains. There's 2 bathrooms in each apartment. This is one. We've got sink, mirror, towel racks, tub, shower curtain, toilet. Obviously, we've got a little window. As you can see, it's fairly large in here, very spacious. Hey guys, let's take a more detailed look into a double room in an apartment. Here we have our beautiful door. It's mine and my roommate's. You can see we are best friends. When you come in, immediately you see our bookshelf and craft shelves, as well as some overflow of our mug collection. We have a lot of mugs. That's a little bit of a problem, but what can you do? We've pushed our dressers together, and you can see we kind of overflow and share a bit on top. Over here, you can see the view from our windows out here. On a nice, beautiful sunny day, we have a really nice view of Randolph and also Tinker Beach. We have our desks pushed together so we can do our homework together. On my side of the room, we have like different letters and things and postcards I've gotten over the years. I think that's everything in a double in an apartment at Hollins. Thanks for watching.